Hello?
You shouldn't have come back, cowboy. They've cracked down hard since you left. More guards, more patrols. You and your friends ain't ever getting out of here now.
I made it out once.
You got lucky once. Want my advice? Keep your heads down. You'll survive.
Yeah, for how long?
I've been here years. They'll never break me. There's only one way toys leave this place. Poor fella. Trash truck comes at dawn, then it's off to the dump.
Look, I appreciate your concern, old-timer, but we have a kid waiting for us. Now we're leaving. If you'd help us, one toy to another, I'd sure be grateful.
Well, if you're gonna get out, first thing you gotta get through's the doors. Locked every night, inside and out. Keys are left on a hook in the office.
Got it. What else?
Lots of his trucks patrolling all night long. Hallway, lobby, playground.
Yeah. What about the wall?
8 feet high, cinder block. No way through it. You go over or under.
That's it? Doesn't seem so bad.
It's not. Your real problem's the monkey. The monkey's the eye in the sky. He sees everything. Classrooms. Hallways. Even the playground. You can unlock doors, sneak past guards, climb the wall, but if you don't take out that monkey, you ain't going nowhere. You want to get out of here? Get rid of that monkey.
Recess! Come on, kids.